Hello everybody, my name is Darshana Dheeraj Humbe. I am working as a graduate teacher, Central School Damre Tivre number 1, Taluka Kankavli. Now, here I am going to tell you a nice story. Name of the story is The Mouse Merchant. The Mouse Merchant. Once a rich merchant was scolding his lazy son. I gave you so much money to start a business, and yet you have not earned anything. You are good for nothing. Look at this dead mouse. A capable man can start a business even with something as useless as this mouse. Somdatta, who was a poor orphan boy, heard his words. He went in and requested the merchant, please lend me this mouse as a capital. I will try my luck. The merchant burst out laughing, but he gave the mouse to Somdatta and took the receipt. Somdatta was walking down the street with the dead mouse in his hand. At that time, another shopkeeper called him. Hey boy, come here. I need the mouse to feed my cat. I will give you 2 handfuls of gram for it. Somdatta accepted the gram. He went to his home and roasted the gram well. Then he took a pitcher of water and stood at the side of the road with his gram and the water. He waited for a long time. In the evening, when the laborers were returning from wood, Somdatta offered them the gram and water politely. Laborers said, but we have no money. Still, we can give you 2 sticks of wood. Somdatta exclaimed, that's a good payment for this simple fare. By accepting that sticks, Somdatta collected a small bundle of sticks. He took the bundle to the market. He sold it and bought some more gram with it. Somdatta did this every day. He became well known among the laborers as the nice boy. Many of them began to buy his gram every day on their way back from the woods. Now Somdatta had so many customers. He got several bundles of sticks every day. One day, when Somdatta was selling the sticks in the market, he met a potter. Potter needed some wood to burn his furnace. In the return of wood, Potter gave Somdatta some pots for his gram and a few pitchers for the water. Somdatta did not waste any money. He worked hard to sell the wood in the morning and the gram in the evening. Now he had enough money to buy all the wood from the laborers. He set up his own shop in the market. He was always polite to his customers. After a few years, Somdatta became a wealthy merchant in the town. One day he asked the goldsmith to make a small golden mouse for him. He took that mouse to the rich merchant and told him, sir, I had borrowed a dead mouse from you many years ago. Today I have come to return it. Please accept this golden mouse. The rich merchant was greatly surprised. He was so impressed with Somdatta's business skills that he gave him his own daughter in marriage. Thus, Somdatta, who was a poor orphan boy, earned money and respect due to his intelligence, hard work, and politeness. So, the moral of the story is we can achieve every success by hard working and politeness in our life. Did you like the story? Okay, thank you.